We are currently standing outside of our Airbnb in Penang, Malaysia, which we arrived in yesterday. And we haven't really figured out anything to do yet. We've just been editing videos and exploring a little bit. What else?
Penang is really great. Very good beach vibe and the vacation feeling. And seems more
chill. Everyone's so chill in beach areas. It's always nice to come to these places and relax.
Yeah.
And we're about 2 blocks away from the beach, so it's pretty much perfect.
And everyone is so polite.
Hello. And there's McDonald's down the road. Taney and I just spent the last 6 hours editing videos.
6 hours.
So we're going to McDonald's, and then we're gonna edit more, and then we're gonna go home.
So tired.
Yeah. People always looking at our videos. What are you doing? Get out of here. So we're currently in Penang. We decided to move away from Kuala Lumpur and head into the beachy area of Penang, which is great. It's been very beautiful here. And today we decided to go to Penang Hill, which is like you take a big monorail up to the top. But on our journey we discovered that it was actually closed. So we're going to Penang Hill to see if we can do some drone stuff without the monorail, and then we're gonna go to the temple that's near it and try to get some good shots of the temple.
Hello everyone. We were going to go to Penang Hill today. Apparently Penang Hill is closed. We don't know until when.
After a 2-hour bus ride, 2-hour total, finally ended up at Kek Lok Temple on our way up. Wait. This temple unique is how high up on the mountain it is. It's like a little pilgrimage coming up here. Buddha is a very big deal here, as well as everywhere that we've been so far. Dini is writing her wish. Wishes are secret. We can't tell you what they are. Sorry. know enough about Chinese culture to give you any description of what this place is about. It's about Buddha, it's about worshipping, and it's a maze. It's like IKEA, you gotta stay here worshipping all day.
It seems like Buddhism is one big culture in South Asia. It's very nice to see a lot of different temples and in lots of different shapes. And it's very nice to learn about their cultures.
Long ways to go. You go first.
We're on the lift.
We're on a lift going all the way up to the giant statue at the top. Should be fun. I always say should be fun.
We're on the top of Kek Lok temple. There is a huge lady Buddha. It's different kind of Buddha from Vietnam, but it's very huge and beautiful. She's holding a bottle, so I'm curious about the bottle. So I'm going to find the meaning of the bottle when we get down. And it's a very beautiful view up here. So I'm very happy because it was so hot day today. It's very nice breeze. The lift only took 5 minutes. The lift was really good, air conditioning. So let's see the view. Yeah, bye.
Day at the temple successful. Took 2 hours to get up here. Now we're gonna find a way down. Hi. Come in and buy my stuff.